Welcome to my channel. I'm Noble Credit, here giving you a quick review of the SPG Luxury card by American Express. Now, I'm active duty military, so I get this card. Although it's a $450 annual fee card, I get it for free. And I know a lot of service members are walking around with the American Express Platinum card for free due to the SCRA benefit. I just want to shed some light on the other cards available to service members that they can get maximum value out of without even having to pay an annual fee. So let's start off with the SPG Luxury card. It's not a metal card, but it's still a pretty nice looking card. It's pretty sleek. That's how I would describe it. I just blocked out the name and personal detail right there. So let's get into some of these benefits just quickly. We're not going to go through the points earnings on the card because that stuff doesn't matter right now. What matters is that you know the money that you can get out of this card for free. So we got less than 50,000 point free night that you could have. Now, what does that mean? After the first year, so after your card's anniversary, you'll get a free night certificate for a property, a Marriott property, hotel room, less than 50,000 points. All right. So that is worth, 50,000 points times, if you read at the bottom, Marriott points are worth 0.9 cents per point. I should put, this is the points guy's evaluation of it, or valuation of it. So 50,000 points times 0.9 cents per point. We'll do that math a little later. Let's get to the second one. So we got $300 SPG Marriott statement credit. Now, you get $300 worth of statement credit for Marriott. That's pretty good. So SPG and Marriott, if you didn't know, there are two separate hotel chains that merged. An example of an SPG hotel would be like the Sheraton or the Westin. An example of a Marriott hotel would be like the Marriott. All right, so you get $300 statement credit each year just for having the card. So even if you weren't someone who was active duty military and had to pay the annual fee, or didn't have to pay the annual fee, you'd still, 450 minus 300, you still ended up with a $150 annual fee. So that's pretty good. And this $300 is usable for rooms. So it's not just, oh, you got to pay for the room, and then the $300 only goes to like a massage. No, you get the $300 and you can pay for a room with that and then other stuff. So it's the whole Marriott credit. And then last but not least, we got 100,000 point sign up bonus. Now there is 125,000 point sign up bonus, but I'm just going for the bare minimum right now, just showing you what the bare minimum is. 100,000 point sign up bonus after $5,000 of spend within 3 months. All right, let's get some math in here. As I said, I'm active duty military, I'm Navy. I know I'm going to have active duty Army, active duty Chair Force, active duty Marine, Coast Guard watching this. So we're gonna do the math for the Army. All right, so some quick math. We got 50,000 points times 0.9 cents per point, which this translates to 0.009 cents, or not cents. We're just going to use the regular math, and then we're going to multiply that times the 50,000. And what are we going to end up with? We're going to end up with about $450. Now, this was just for the Army. I know the rest of you already figured that out. With the 100,000 point sign-up bonus, do we need to do the math? No, we don't. Why? Because it's just double what the 50,000 point free night is. So 450 plus 450 equals 900. Very good, Army. All right, enough with the jokes. This card is available to you. I have a referral link in the description. Go ahead and use my referral link to get your bonus. If you are active duty military, once again, you can apply for the SCRA benefit. It's pretty pretty easy. Go ahead and apply for the card first. If you're questioning anything I'm saying in this video, go ahead and call up American Express. They have a military hotline, which is Googleable, by the way. So I don't need to put that in here. And last but not least, if you are active duty Navy, go ahead and like and subscribe to this video. If you're Army, the like button is the thumbs up button. If you're Chair Force, you probably already reported me for making fun of the Army. And if you're Marine, you probably didn't make it to the end of the video anyway. I'm Noble Credit. Peace out.